Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to deposit money into your Starling Bank account. Whether you're topping up your own balance or sharing your account details with someone else, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started! Step 1. First, open the Starling Bank app on your mobile device and log in securely. Step 2. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Now, tap Account Details. This is where you'll find all the important information like your account name and account number. Step 4. From here, you can copy your account number to use it for depositing cash via bank transfer or share it by clicking the Share button. This makes it easy to let others deposit money into your account directly. Bonus tip: if you want to deposit physical cash, you can do that at any post office in the UK using your Starling debit card. Just let the cashier know you're making a deposit to your Starling Bank account. And that's how you deposit money into your Starling Bank account. If this helped, make sure to hit like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful banking tips.
See you next time!